All right, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Welcome to the live stream. Today is 25th of August 2025. So let's just get started. What's just going on the chart? It's Monday, and before that, we were just having like a pound bank holiday, like it was like a bank holiday for the London session. So you can see we just didn't see any kind of volume during the bank holiday. So let's just see. Right now we just like going to be actually we just already enter into opening of NY session. So let's just break down the chart from higher time frame to low time frame to see what is the probability and where we can grab some opportunity. So first thing first, we just need to go through. Actually, it's just start of the week, so I just wanted to look at the weekly candle. So the previous weekly candle just closed with a long rejection week and closed in a bullish momentum, and this thing happened due to Paul's speech. Yeah, if I just remember that one, that makes sense. He just like come very aggressive on the charts. Yeah. So daily we're just having like a support area, and at the same time I think so we're just having like a resistance on the upside as well. Here we go. So need to go from daily time frame to H4. H4 actually just created a actually, you know what, we are just doing consolidation on the H4 time frame. We are having a support, we are having the resistance. Wow, look at this one. So let's just go from daily time H4 to H4 to H1. H1 actually doing consolidation as well. Need to go through from H1 to M30. M30 actually going to be create a resistance, I think so. But you know what? Look at this one. This candle actually don't have a bottom wick, and this candle also close above the previous current resistance area. This one. If we just like look at this one, so you know what? In this situation, if I just can see on a 50-minute time frame, 50-minute time frame actually the candle just break the low of the previous candle low. So yeah, it's like a very tricky one. It's Monday as well. So if this candle like break the low of the previous 30-minute low and next candle create a, we can break the low, there's a very high probability by depending on the volume it could continuously pushing to the downside. Yeah, it could be happen. But at the same time, if this candle, if the current candle sustain its bullish momentum, like right now just like retracing right now, but if it's just like continuously pushing to the downside, close within the range somehow like this, where we just got a candle which just do not have a bottom wick, it is a sign that there's, it's like a clear sign there's just like buyers right now sitting there. So there's no business of this current candle to come down, close back into the range, or it's just come down and break the low of the previous candle. So there's no business of this current candle should have to be worked like that. So you know what, if this current candle on a 15-minute, which we're just like 5 minutes left for the 15-minute candle to close, might be we just create some kind of resistance here, and then with the next candle, if the candle just create a weak and break above the high of the previous 15-minute time frame, there's a very high probability we could continuously pushing to the upside. And you know what, in this situation, what we need to do, we need to depend on volume. Why? Because you just need to understand, if it just break above this high, there's just like another rejection, then another rejection, then another rejection, like there's just like a lot of resistance on the left hand side. So if we just wanted to be a part of this trade, we totally need to depend on the volume. Volume can only the thing which will help us out to go through these all rejections on the left hand side. So we'll see what structure we're just going to be get in few minutes. So then we'll give our trade a chance. And I'm just not gonna like looking at 50-minute time frame until I just got a bigger candle on a 30-minute time frame. Otherwise, I will just only stick with the 30-minute time frame. If 30-minute candle just start getting bigger, like more than 30 or 40, 50 pips, then I will just look at 50-minute time frame for the more confirmation and for getting a smaller stop loss. That is the only way I'm just going to look at 50-minute time frame. I think so that makes sense. So let's just see how this candle is going to be closed. And at the same time, you know what? Wow, look at this one. If the candle just like close and broke and close below this area, we have a clean traffic to the downside. This one, this makes sense. Okay, let's see how this 30-minute candle is just going to be closed. So then I will just decide what should I do. Even if you just look at this 50-minute time frame, if the candle just create a big break the low, it's like a 30 to 40 pip range to the downside. It's also getting interesting right now because this current candle is just retrace more than 50% of the previous candle, where the candle just close with no bottom wick. See, this one is just continuously pushing to the downside. Even the candle just close with no bottom wick. It's mean that candle should be the next candle should be create a wick and continuously pushing to the upside, but it's just not reacting in that way. So let's see. I will stick with the 30-minute time frame. We'll see how this first I just wanted to see how this 50-minute candle is going to be closed. Then we'll take a decision by looking at 50-minute and 30-minute time frame. So yeah, just need to wait now. Okay, let's get back on the YouTube. I'm the first. Hi. Assalamu alaikum, कैसर भाई, क्या हाल चाल है? Alhamdulillah, everything's just fine, everything just good. Friday night को पॉल साहब गुस्सा हो गए. Yeah, he just I'm very aggressive. I just saw that one. So he just played a very I would say a tricky game. Okay, yes, by there is no clean range on the left side, so we just need to depend on the volume. If we just wanted to go with the buys, we just need to depend on the volume. Okay, so let's just see. Just waiting here right now. Let's see. And yeah, tomorrow we're just going to be do a giveaway. Like we're just going to be give 325k 25k to Minion funded account. You know what? I just realize something. I was just looking at my Instagram. There was just 20 to 22 accounts who just follow me in 1 minute, and the same account just commented on the YouTube channel to win the reward. And if I can see that one, every account who just follow me, he was just all those were not having any following, not having any followers. So those are completely a fake account. So these kind of people can take the opportunity from the people who really deserve it. So the next time I think so I would do some different giveaway, so it could give the real opportunity to the real people actually. So let's see. Tomorrow I will just going to with a random giveaway, so we'll see. So 50-minute candle just closed. 50-minute candle just closed and closed below the previous candle low, and it's like opening of London as well. Let me just look at the higher time frame. H4 rejecting from the resistance area. Daily time frame still open. H4 H1 this H1 just close in a very strong body above the resistance area. But why this candle, the current candle, just come back into the range? There is no business of this candle to come back into the range. It's just not a good sign. It could be continuously pushing to a downside. But you know what, let me just look at this one. This 50-minute time frame just printed 20 pips candle. So I would like to see at least a 30-minute candle should have to be closed in my favor. So then we'll see if I can give my trade a chance. Let's see. Do stream daily on NYSE? No, today actually was bank holiday for the London, so that's why I just come during the NY. But for the whole week, I'm just gonna do the stream because Raja bro just in the jungles right now in Colombia, enjoying his life. So for the rest week, I'm just gonna do the stream. So the next fourth stream, which we're just going to be get this week, it will be on 2:30 a.m. Eastern. That makes sense. We're just going to be and they're just no, such a great news folder we're just having for the whole week. So I'm expecting volume might be at the end of the December we just got something. The whole December was just not showing volume, and this move just happened due to Paul. Let's see. 30-minute time frame waiting. So on a 50-minute time frame, if we just look at 50-minute time frame, we just created a new resistance now. See this one, we just got a new resistance now. I'm just gonna take this current. Should I? Let me just see 30 minutes. Okay. this makes sense. I'm just gonna take the current support area, current support area. This is makes sense. Yeah, so just waiting for the volume to kick in actually. I need to see the current M50 minute to close weak bullish, and then will 30 minute strong bearish close also. We'll see. Just like visualizing the things here, but we just need to see some clean structure actually, because it's just a Monday and I just can't see volume right now. I just can't see volume right now for the bearish momentum. Just need some kind of confirmation. 50 minute is just like less confirm, not like stronger than the 30 minute time frame. It's just like a weaker from the 30 minute time frame. So just need to stick out on 30 minute time frame today, just like Monday as well. So just relax, chill, wait for your turn, and we'll see if we can get something out of it. Okay, so all right. Just like waiting right now. You know what, if even if this 50 minute, the current 50 minute, we just like sitting on a NY session right now. So if this current 50 minute candle break above the high of the previous 50 minute time frame, still it's like sustain its pressure of the previous 30 minute bullish candle, so could be continuously pushing upside. Getting like 20-25 pips will be more than enough, I would say. So we'll see. Just waiting right now. Okay, best buy is above 33.77. Is it good? 33.77. 33.77. You just like wanted to take a buy here. What about this complete range of 60-70 pips? So yeah, that also makes sense if you just like, but you know what, for that market should have to be create support resistance, then if it just like break up of the high, that makes sense. But if it's just like continuously pushing upside in one direction, then it could be like it just already moved a lot. So even if it just break above the high, it could not be sustained, its pressure could be come back. So if you just like create some resistance, break the resistance, then continuously pushing upside, that makes sense. 33.70. And let me just look at on the left hand side where you just like talking about like 33.77. So on the 33.77 you can see there's just like another resistance, lot of rejection on the left hand side. So I would say above 33.80, if you just look at this one above 33.80, it's like a clean traffic on the left hand side. Wow, more than 180 pip range on H1 actually. Even on a 30-minute time frame, look at this one, 140 pip clean traffic. If we just look at 50-minute time frame, realistic thing is just like easy 70 to 80 pips range above 33.80. Yeah, but look at this rejection. Once market, I think so, if market just will hit this area, if it just could not break above these rejection on the left hand side, there's a very high probability gold will start pushing to the downside. We'll see. It's like a very tricky one. So just waiting right now. Just looking at 50-minute time frame, look at this one. Wow, if it just break above the high, I could go as impulse entry, by depending on the volume. Again, depending on the volume, 30-minute just rejecting right now. As we look H4, it looks very clean upside move, right sir? Yeah, we'll see. H4 daily, H4, we'll see. I'm just waiting for this candle to be closed, to be honest. There's just like 9 minutes left for the candle to close, and even if this current 15-minute candle break above the high, it could continuously pushing to the upside, because still the previous 30-minute candle do not have a bottom wick. So just looking at this one with that perspective actually. So if I'm just going to execute somewhere here, stop loss could be below the current candle, just like a 30 pip stop loss. Yeah, but it's okay. We'll see if we just like execute here and market just start retracing and retrace more than 50% of the previous candle low. So I'm just gonna close my 50% position, and if it just like break its own low, then I'm just gonna close everything there. So yeah, let's see. Let's see and get ready. I hope so. NY will bring something on the table. I'm expecting something from the NY. Oh, let's just look at pound yen. What's just going on a pound yen? Pound yen just like consolidating right now. Look at this. No clean traffic actually. It's just like a break above the previous resistance area, but the candle just do not have a upper wick. Like 50-50% probability it could continuously pushing up. And look at the behavior of this current candle. It just like continuously pushing to a downside. So yeah, just like consolidation going on, I would say. If it just broke below this area, it's kind of 30-40 pip range to the downside. So this makes sense if the candle just close below the support area, and at the same time if it just created a resistance, and with the volume, if the next candle break above the resistance, it could fill this range on the left hand side. So let's see. It's also like still waiting right now. So 7 minutes left for the candle to close. It would be great if this 30-minute candle just close with a long rejection with a small body. So that is also like a place where I can give my trade a chance as an impulse entry. So just need to wait now. So left side is not good, so how can we take trade in this range? We just need to depend on the volume. Sometime when there's just like a good structure, you just didn't get anything for the whole during like a pre-London or Asian something like that. So there's a like a probability might be we just can get volume during the NY session. And if we just like get nothing even during the NY session, then might be tomorrow. But yeah, with that expectation, I'm expecting volume could push the gold to the upside, and at the same time we're just waiting for the 30-minute candle as a confirmation. So we'll see. There's just like 6 minutes left for this 30-minute candle to close, and I'm just like waiting for this 30-minute to close. Okay, I need to see the current M15 to close weak bullish, and then will 30 minutes strong bearish. Yeah, that also makes sense, but we'll see. Still there's just like few minutes left. Few minutes left. 5 minutes left actually. Just like 5 minutes left. So we'll see. Just waiting. Why you didn't take sell on 50-minute? What's the no taking 50-minute is just like a low confirmation candle, weak confirmation candle I would say. So I'm just waiting for this 30-minute candle to be closed. But if this 30-minute candle just close with a healthy body, and 50-minute just close with a weak bullish candle, then next candle create a week and broke this low, it could be a very beautiful sell as well. But depending on the volume, we'll see. 4 minutes left for the candle to close, and this 4 minute might be will show us some direction. Just waiting. Okay. Mhm. Wow, look at the rejection right now. Okay, where it is just right now. Perfect. Okay. All right. So just waiting. There's just like 2 minutes left for the candle to close, and 30 minutes is just about to close here. Let's see if we can get volume. So it could continuously pushing to the downside or the upside. Just 1 minute left for the candle to close. Look at the spread. It actually spread is like just not comfortable with the spread right now. It should not be react like that. Okay, just need to hide this thing. Just wanted to look at gold spread and a pound yen spread. Damn. All right. Hello, sir. Wanted to ask what is the music name you have on it? It's so nice show. Yeah, it's just like there for you to make you relax. So you just never get into panic condition. So look at this one. This 30-minute candle just close in a bearish form, and the 50-minute candle just close with a long rejection with a small body. The candle just created a wick. If this current candle break the low by depending on the volume, I'm just gonna execute. Stop loss would be somewhere here like 15-20 pips. That makes sense, because if it just break the low of the previous candle, then there is no business of this current candle to come back and break its own high. If it just come back and break its own high, it could be, it's just not gonna go in our favor. So just waiting here. I'm just like executed. Stop loss somewhere here. TP, let's see. We'll manage the risk. I just want this candle to continuously pushing to the downside, but depending on the volume of NY. Let's see if it just work out for us or not. Now there's no business of this current candle to come back and break its own high. It should be continuously pushing to the downside. At least it should fill this range on the left hand side, 20 pip range. So 15 pip, I'm just gonna secure something on a 15 pips. On a 15 pips, just like a Monday. Just like a Monday. So just waiting for some structure to be appear. A structure just form. I just execute it depending on the volume. 30-minute just glows in a bearish form. 70 pips. 7 pips right now running in our favor. So just wanted it a little more volume here to continuously pushing downside, at least like 15 pips, so I can secure some position there. You know what, today is, what is today? Today is Monday, so on 10 pips I'm just gonna close my 70% position. I'm just like close my 70% position here. So if I just like close my 70% position, I just have like 10 pips with me. So if it just come back and hit my SL, I'm just not gonna lose anything. I'm just not gonna lose anything. And if it's just like continue the way it's just like showing volume, if it's just like continuously pushing to the downside and break the support area, there's a very high probability it will continuously pushing to the downside. Let's just look at this one. H1 just rejecting, H1 just like almost fill the previous candle. 30-minute break the low of the previous candle, give us the confirmation candle. Now I just need this candle to continuously pushing to the downside by depending on the volume. Already secure 10 pips here. It's a free trade right now. It's a free trade. It's a Monday, so I just wanted to, I don't know why, but I just wanted to hold on to with this trade. So if I just wanted to hold on to this trade, so first thing what I just need to understand how I can make my trade a risk-free trade. So what I have just done, once it just went in my favor like 10 11 pips, I secured 70% position with the same stop loss. So now if it just like come back and hit my SL, I'm just not gonna lose anything. This is the way how I can hold on to with my hold on with my trades actually. So let's see if it just worked out in the same way how I'm just expecting from it. And if it just never like worked out in the same way, still I'm just not gonna lose anything. It's a free trade. I'm a part of a trade where I'm just not gonna lose anything. A zero money, a zero pip, I'm just gonna lose there. 13 pips, 100% secure because I have to go. Wow, very nicely done. Draw, very nicely done, buddy. Very nicely done. Good luck, everyone. So if once it just went in like 15 pips, it's just like a Monday. So just secure at least like 90%, 50%, whatever suits you. Just like close some position there. If I just wanted to hold on to something, it's like totally educational content right now. So I'm just like try to make you guys understand how you can hold on to with your trade if you just like having a gut feeling that it could be continuously pushing to the downside, it could be continuously pushing to the upside. So first thing first, you just need to like manage the risk, like how you can be a part of a trade where you're just going to be lose less or you just not going to be lose anything there. So by that idea, I just close like 70% position at 11-10 pips and leave the rest. So I'm expecting my bit will continuously pushing to the downside. We'll see. We'll see. But it's just like a very nicely done. Okay, but candle break low in very first minute. Why you take sell? Because candle just created a week, 50 minutes just like create a proper structure, create a week, break the previous candle low, which is like rejecting with a long rejection, close with a small body. So expecting like it could continuously pushing to a downside. Yeah, that's why. So let's see. It's just like a free trade. Many people just like secure 10 pips, 11 pips, 15 pips, 12 pips. So why not you just like take these thing with you and just call it a day? It's just like a Monday. Look at the way how it's just like behaving right now. The market, look at the structure on the left hand side, just like consolidation. The whole day just didn't show any kind of volume in it. Still, we just grab like 15 pips from this like junk price action. Still, you just go if you can get like a 15 pips. It's just like more than enough. See you tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Welcome. Welcome. Thank you for having me. It's like a pleasure for me to provide you guys education. So yeah, take care. See you tomorrow. All right. So let's see if you know what, if this h4, the current h4, if it's just like rejected and like flipped towards to the downside, very high probability it could continuously pushing to the downside. We'll see. I'm just waiting right now. Just waiting right now. Because why how I can hold on to my trade? Because I just already managed the risk. I just already took some profit. So even if it just come back my break even stage, even if it just come back hit my SL, I'm just not gonna lose anything. Okay, go 20 pips on YouTube. Very nicely done, Osama. Thank you, love you too. Thank you and love you so much. Okay, thank you so much for the love. Let's see. Let's just see. Enjoy your free trade. You guys are getting free education here. And YouTube, there's just like more than 80 people just watching the YouTube, and I'm just having like a 22 likes. And you guys just go 13, 20, 15, whatever. Just you just like make money there. And you guys just still didn't like the stream. Very nicely done. Okay, again 12 pips, 13 pips. If someone just in a trade, secure 50%, secure 90%, whatever suits you. Just secure some position there. That makes sense. Wow, just like continuously pushing to a downside right now. 15, 16 pips. 16, 15, close some partial. You know what? I just wanted to see how this candle is going to be react to this area. If it just broke below this area, we'll see. Thanks, sir. See you. Yeah, everyone just like took a trade and just leaving the chat. Wow. You guys just come here for the signals. Just took a trade and now bye bye. 17 pips. Wow, very nicely done. 17, 16. So yeah, you guys can secure some position here. So now you know what? Hmm. So I just wanna do it at a bring it like a break even now. This makes sense now. As market just went in my favor like 17, 18 pips, I just wanted to do it a break even. Now zero zero money I'm just gonna lose. Even if I just come back and hit my stop loss, still I will just like grab 10 pips here. See this one? Already bagged money into my pocket. 19 pips, 20 pips. So you know what? Let's just do some practical here with the realistic thing. So once we just like went in our favor 21 pips, 0.04, just secure like one more 90% position here, and we'll leave the rest for the experiment. All right, so let's just look at this history. We just like grab 15-20 pips out of it easily by managing the risk, hold on to our trade, make some more money here. Now it's like a totally free trade. Like if you just like continuously going in our favor, that could be a bonus. If it just never went in our favor, if it just never go in our favor, come back and break our hit our break even stage, we just not gonna lose even a single pip there. Hold for 100. उमैर शफीक, करो ज़रा होल्ड तुम यार 100 पिप्स के लिए, देखता हूँ मुझे तुम्हें आज 100 पिप्स मिलते हैं कि नहीं. Bro, I keep closing my trades early. How do I overcome this? The same thing I just like did here in front of future here. Look at this one. How I just like hold on to my trades and just close twice. Third time I'm just gonna leave it for the TP or would wanted to see how long it will go. I just like already secure this thing. You know what? Just try to close your position like I would say like two times. Like if you're just like managing the risk, like close half position and close full position. This is something you just need to do. If you just like continuously closing the position like three, four, five times, it could be like a over risk management. So you're just not gonna get anything there. Okay. मैं अब आया हूँ मार्केट थोड़ा पीछे. So I just wanted to rewind this market because he just like joined late. So we just like took a trade, got like 20 pips here. Yeah. So you just like late now. You just need to wait for some new structure to be formed. Sir, I switched to my another account to give you like. Thank you so much. Fahim Akhtar, bro, put us around 15% on previous week. Okay, because there's. Okay, let's see. Still, I'm just having like 31 likes only on my YouTube. There's like more than 80 people just watching. Just bring it at least like 50 likes. I think so. I deserve this one. Don't you guys think that? You just guys continuously getting free education. You guys are making money here, and still it's just like a very bad thing. You just guys not even liking the stream. So yeah, very beautiful done. You know what? The proper structure was there. 30 minutes just like close in a bearish form, depending on the volume of NY. Can I create a week, break the low on 30 minute, but on a 15 minute, as I just like said before starting the stream, we just need to look at some structure. Like a 15 minute can just create it a proper structure. Look at the 30 minute close with a strong healthy body, come back into the range as well. So look at this one with the proper structure, and we are sitting with the volume time. It's the opening of NY session, so expecting volume here. So see how I just like made the combination with each other like among these things, and then just like give my trade a chance. So I just executed on something which is having like a higher probability setup. So even I'm just attending some kind of higher probability setup, still if it just like never worked out means suppose that it just went in my favor like 8 to 10 pips, come back to my entry point, my execution level. I'm just gonna close 50% position, and even if it just like never went in my favor, come back and break its own high, I'm just gonna close 100% position, because in this structure the candle should not be break above its high. It's like a signature trade of Raja Bro. I just remember that it was the signature trade of Raja Bro. Like a candle just rejected with a long rejection, closed with a small body, next candle create a wick, broke the low, higher probability it could continuously pushing to the downside. And till this we are having like a 30 pips free range, clean traffic on the left hand side. So that's why I just like close 99% position here and leave the rest by depending on the volume. Might bit will continuously pushing to the downside. Even if we just like never go in my favor, I'm just not gonna lose anything. Hi, good morning from Sunshine State. Good morning, good morning. Thanks, I got 20 pips. See you tomorrow. I have to go to enjoy the bank holiday. Wow, another one. Another one just leaving my stream. Three people till right now make money and leave the stream. Wow, very bad. So I think so. You guys like taking me as a signal cast. Can you say it as a fake or not? Just like it's just not like a fake. Look at this one. It just created a resistance, created a support, broke the support. So it's just like a proper structure, just not like a fake out thing. Okay, sir, we are in range. It's not it's risky to take sell here. Yeah, but sometimes we just need to depend on the volume. As I just already told you that during the Asian, during the London, pre-London, we just didn't get anything there. And after that, we just expecting volume during the NY session, because the previous two sessions just didn't show any kind of clean traffics there. So look at this one, this 15-minute candle just closed, and look at the size of this candle, just like showing volume in it. We are sitting with a free trade right now, already like secure our money, our just like back money in our pocket. So let's just see and watch. Will it continuously pushing to the downside, because there's just like now 15 minutes left for the closure of H4. If H4 just break the support area and close in a strong bearish momentum, so very high probability it could continuously pushing to the downside. 25 pips right now, you are just running in profits. Someone just in a trade should have secure 90% position. Do not try to predict the market, be realistic with the markets. So if you just like in a trade where the whole day you just like saw the consolidation, didn't saw like clean traffic, didn't made any money, so this is the perfect time to secure some position. Do not try to predict the market. As I just like everyone, I just all like many times I just like say this thing. All right, what's just happening on the pound yen just like doing consolidation. Look at this BTC, Bitcoin just like drop down. Wow, let me just look at this, just like doing consolidation and broke the weekly support area, daily support area. I don't know why I'm expecting might bit will continuously pushing upside to create new high from this area of 110k, something like that. But who knows that? I don't know how this BTC actually moves, what are the fundamentals behind that, how the volume just coming in into it. I don't know what is the data behind this thing to move the market. but it is whatever it is. Do you trade BTC? No, I'm just don't trade BTC. I just don't even know how to trade BTC actually. Because you know what, on a forex, like on a gold or on a USD, we just knew like what's just going on in the economy, like what Paul said, why the market just move. We just having like a proper data with us. We are having like sentiments. We just having like a technicals. We just having like a fundamental. We just like having a pure data with us. But I don't know why how you can get these complete data for the BTC or any cryptocurrency. I just can't get. There's just like no company running there who just like auditing the report, audit their report, like they just make some huge amount during the whole year. So I just don't know how to like people interested in this thing. My common sense just never like never give me the permission. Like my common sense never give me the permission to trade BTC. But it is whatever it is. Just like a part of market. So people are just involving in it. It's a choice actually. Everyone having their own choice. Bro, Raja sir says if candle breaks previous candle low or high within first 1 to 2 minutes, don't trade. But I saw you took it with first. Yeah, sometimes we just took that trade, bro. We just never like always wait for like I would say like 70 80% I would say like we just wait for the first one. We just never took trade once the market break the low in the first 1 to 2 minutes. But this is something different. It's like we are having a structure here. Candle created a wick, and on a 15-minute candle is such a like a impulse entry here. So that's why I just like do not wanted to miss the trade. So see this one, the result you just like got in front of you. So sometime we just like execute even in the first minute if there's just like if we are expecting some volume there. So yeah, why not? 27 pips continuously pushing. They are just like 10 minutes left for the H4 candle to close. So let's see if this 15-minute candle just close below the support area, very high probability it could continue pushing to the downside. But you guys just get like 27 pips in 27 pips in front of your eyes. So yeah, that makes sense. सर काइंडली कैंडल कलर्स की सेटिंग शो कर दें एक दफ़ा राइट क्लिक करके प्रॉपर्टी ओके राइट क्लिक properties and here the colors of my candlesticks. Even I don't know what I was just like settle it down. Got it? Take a screenshot and here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go. I think so. I just already have my own template. I look at this one cache template. So I just like secure my templates there. So whenever I just like start a new chart, I just need to activate those templates so it just like automatically implemented on the charts. Okay, I am here buddy, long lasting like Fevicol. MD Aman, welcome. Okay, so YouTube just like someone just make 13 pips, 14 pips, 12 pips, 13 pips, 20 pips, 12 pips. Wow, very nice, very nice. So let's just see how this 15-minute candle just about to be close. This 15-minute candle also connected with the H4 time frame. H4 time frame. Let's see. Need to wait. I'm just like eagerly wanted to see how this current 15-minute candle is going to be close. 11 p.m. here in Melbourne, bro. Jumping off to get some sleep. Okay, again one more heading off, Mr. Shaheen. You guys make money and now leaving me alone. I will remember these names. Let me just look at this one. Shahid number one, Alina number two, and who just like David number three, and I think so. The Steve is just like number four. So four people made money and leave the stream. So Chris, just write down these names. Next time if they ask me any question, so just tell them to hold on with the stream. So you're just going to be get education. It's like a class just going on. It's just like a it's university class is going on. How you can leave the class? Sir, I'm feeling sleepy. I'm just going home. Wow, very nice. Oh, David's still here. Thank you so much, David. I told the idea first. Yeah, David just having that idea. They should be removed from tomorrow giveaway. Yeah, this is something I should do. I'm here. Yes, everyone just start telling me they are here. Just came in. Do you think I have a chance? Have a chance for what? You know what? Tomorrow is just like I'm just going to give 325K Dominion funding accounts. I already loaded those account with me. Like already, I just having those account with me. So there's one person who's just like continuously asking account from for 3 to 4 months, and I'm wanted to take a decision to give him an opportunity because he's just like continuously sending me the charts, struggling with his life. So I think so he deserve one account actually. Hmm. So I think so that will make sense. Two account I will give away randomly, and one account I should like hold on with this person. If that person just like right now sitting on the YouTube and listening me, if he just like send me message today on my Instagram for the account, so I will just give him account. If he just never message me on my Instagram account, then he will just lose that account. Let's see. Should be some interesting thing. What platform do you use to analysis? Does it work with Magic Keys? We just using like a Dominion Markets here. The brokerage house I would say is with a zero latency, low spread. We are just having on a Dominion Markets. So just use this platform for the analysis, for the trades, for the execution, for the exit. This is the platform we just like using here. Okay. Pips indicator on your right screen upper side is custom indicator of MT5. Is it available in our MT5? Also no, it's just like connected with the it's a function of Magic Keys. Buy the account us buy ko. We'll see because you know what, this time I just like realize something. People are just like try to do scam for the accounts. Like let me just see Instagram. Let me just see if I can show you guys. People are just it's just like not a good thing, I would say. It's just like not a good thing. You are just like taking someone opportunity who can change their life. uh, you just follow me with 20 to 25 accounts. I just can't see this one more. It just happened like 2 days before. How I can see the older details here. Look at this one. This one, no, no, not this one. Even this person, look at Fido started following 23 hour 23 hour 23 hour at the same time with zero following, zero followers. It's just like a three, but that person, look at this one. One day, no snap there. So I should create something so the opportunity will go towards like real people. This is something would be better. So we'll plan next time, but this time it will be go in the same way. It will go in the same way. I think so. This message has come from that person. So we'll see. Oh, 35 pips continuously pushing to the downside. Let me just see this one. Might be my mobile phone will show that person randomly. Actually, I took the screenshot of that person. Yeah, if you guys can see this one, this person just like continuously follow me at the same time, not even with a 1 minute break, and every account are do not having like any followers or following. So this is something you just trying to steal someone opportunity who can change their life. So just like not gonna good thing, we just need to filter on those things. So just take a screenshot. So I will just kick out all his accounts or her account, whatever, whoever just they are actually. Okay, your voice is very slow. Why? I just don't know. Let me just see this one. If I just use, no, I just don't want it to do something right now on the live stream. We'll see tomorrow. Bro, I do everything you teach, but I still lose. How can I improve on it? Just like journal your trade. Just look at the trade. Why you just like continuously taking the losses there? Just look at those. Journal your trades. So look at this one. There's just like 1 minute left for the H4 candle to close. And look at the rejection on H4. Just like rejecting with a long rejection, we're going to be close, but it's still like a consolidation, I would say. Still like a consolidation. Yeah. I think so it would be better if I just like bring my stop loss here. Oh, what is this? Yeah, could be a trading stop loss will make sense. 100k account for me, Kasser. All right, let's see if you really deserve it. I will gift it to you. Okay, H4 candle go to close. Can it make sense for sells as next candle break low of H4 as impulse entry? We'll see. I don't think so. I think so. Just like a consolidation going to be happen. Yeah, just like mm, so H4 just close. Let me just look at daily time frame. Daily just again rejecting H4, just like rejected with a long rejection wick. Get it a wick. Now I just try to push to the upside. H1, H1. Still, it's just like holding the structure right now. We just need like a lot of volume to go through these all rejection on the left hand side. So yeah, only volume can take it to the downside. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense. Now I'm just like bringing my stop loss above here. So even I'm just like using a low lot size, like already secure money here. Still, it would be better to be realistic with the thing. So now if we just like create a wick and break the low, then there is no business of this current candle to come back into the range or break its own high. If it just come back into the range, break its own high, it could be continuously pushing to the upside. But very nicely done, I would say. Like right now, look at this one, 40 pips. You can hold on to your trade even it's just like a Monday. We just executed one trade and it straight away went in our favor like 40 pips. Still we manage the risk. Look at very educational content here. It's like a Monday, it's secure like 11 12 pips, 70% position, secure 99% position like at 20 22 25 pips, and leave the rest. And still we just like running like 40 pips. This is how you can like hold on to with your trades. Okay, so yeah, just great way to guide exactly. Yeah, so let's see. Hmm, it's getting interesting. So I'll be there for like for this like 5 to 10 minutes more. I will stay here, then I will just like close the stream. It was like a very education stream. Tomorrow is the day when we'll just do like a giveaway during the live stream. I think it will be happen at the end of the stream, because what happened today, people just take trade, make money and leave the chart leave us alone. So I will just do that giveaway at the end of the stream, so people will hold on with that one. So tomorrow will be the day of giveaway of 25k, $25,000 account, 25k, $25,000 account of Dominion funding. Yes. Look at this one. Some people just randomly start sending me message. I'm just watching your live stream. Give me funded account. Wow, it's just not gonna happen like that. On what basis this giveaway is? On nothing. It's just like a giveaway to everyone. Will you give to your boys of MFU or just for YouTube? It's for everyone. Even if you're just like on a MFU, if you are on a YouTube, it's for everyone. Let me show you how you can be a part of that giveaway. You just need to like follow the Dominion funding, follow my Instagram, like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and just write down your Instagram ID at the live stream of 20th August. Just write down your Instagram ID there and you will be in the giveaway. You will be a participant of that giveaway actually. So I will just do a spin and random people will be selected live in front of everyone, so there could be not scam going to be happen. It will be a real giveaway, and I almost like doing this from 4 months to 5 months. It's just like continuously happening. So if I just like let me just see this one, if you guys can. Okay, just remove from here. Just give me a minute. I will show you how you can be a part of that giveaway. Okay. Okay, here you go. Just take a screenshot for this one. You just need to follow the Dominion funding, subscribe and like my YouTube channel, comment your Instagram ID at 2825 live stream. Winner will be picked from there. Okay, follow Market AI. Important note, winner will be chosen on 26th August. Only one comment per person. Multiple comments is equal to disqualification. Alright, just take a screenshot. And today is just like a last day. Tomorrow I'm just gonna give away 325k funded account. Actually, one I will just gonna give that person, and two giveaway we will just go randomly. I think so. This thing would be great. I think so. It would be. I should have to be keep this thing with me every month when I'm just gonna give 25k funding account. Should have to give someone who just like really deserve it. And someone just like already mentioned me someone who just needed account for the next month. So we'll see. Still, you guys having like chances there. Okay. Okay. So look at this one, running like 50 pips. Very nice. It's really nice. So on a 50 pips, I'm just gonna close this trade. 48, 50. Can I get 50? Okay, 50. Here we go. Oh, 53. Let's see if it just come back at 50. I'm just gonna close this one. 54, 55, 55, 54, 2, 3, 4, 55, 54, 55, 55. Can I get one more push? Can I get 60? 60? 60 pips? 60 pips in the bag. 58, 57, 57, 58, 57, 56, 53, 54, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. Okay, so here we go. I'm just like taking these 50 pips. Just such a like a great trade, I would say. Very beautiful trade just happened here. I just scored 63 on USD JPY. Wow, very nicely done. You just like done a very great thing. Wow, people just like made money here. Okay. Quality session cash. Thank you so much. How to participate? I just already show you there. What app do you use to journal? Just like if you just like using Dominion markets, so it will be automatically journal your trades. So you can look at those trades by logging into your Dominion market account. What app do you use for to I just like already tell you. Okay, all right, so everyone, just I'm just heading off now. It's just like been like more than 1 hour. We just like continuously doing the stream. It was like such a very beautiful trade we just took here. So yeah, look at this one, how we just executed from the top and how we just like close with 50 pips, secure 15 pips, then secure like another 25 pips, then secure everything on 55 like on 50 pips. So on a Monday it's just like awesome, we just scored like 50 pips. So it's like a very education stream, I would say, that how you can hold on to with your trade. Yeah, so just like make notes on this thing, I would say. Just make notes, and if the same thing appear in front of your eyes in the future, so you will get the same result. And if you just like never worked out, you just need to manage the risk. So yeah, stay tuned, we'll see you guys tomorrow at 2:30 a.m. Eastern with a new live stream, and we'll do a giveaway actually as well. So till that, be safe, be careful. I will tell you, don't try to force yourself for the execution. Market just already moved a lot. If you just wanted to execute, wait for the candle to create some kind of support, create some kind of resistance. Then if you just like broke the support, if you just like give you some kind of confirmation candle on the resistance, then give your trade a chance. Otherwise just stay away from it. If you just like already done with the day, already made money here, so I think so you should be happy with that one. So yeah, see you guys soon. Till that, be safe, be careful, and bye bye. Have to go now.